Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about AI. Not everything you see online is real. Either it is text messages, videos, most of them are generated by AI. And we all know that AI is very powerful and we have AI in almost every field. Whether you are doing video editing, picture editing, research, everything, every field has its own AI now. But in this video today, I'm going to share with you a website where you can translate a video or a speech to a language, a different language. For instance, from English to Arabic or English to French. The amazing thing of this is it tracks everything, even facial expression, tonation, accent, everything, it transferred to the translated video. So if you are ready, let me show you a small example.
And then the verse was revealed incomplete. And the word of dawn was revealed later on. First, the verse was until you can differentiate the white thread from the black thread. Then Allah reveals in between white thread of dawn. So the complete verse then is revealed. So then it was made clear. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad, he explained the meaning of two fajr. And تم الكف عن الآية ناقصة وكلمة الفجر تم الكف عنها لاحقا. أولا كانت الآية حتى يمكنك التمييز بين الخيط الأبيض من الخيط الأسود ثم يكشف الله بين خيط الفجر الأبيض.
Hi, my name is Abdul Jalil. How are you doing?
Hello, my name is Abdul Jalil. Hola, me llamo Abu Jalil.
To do it, go to 11 Dublin Lab Studio. Upload your video, choose your preferred language. You can see we have a lot of languages here. Choose from it, or you can upload a link from YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. After that, just click down here where it will do the magic for you. When it finishes, you just download your video, and that's all. And if you enjoy the video, subscribe and like my video. And if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe and share with others.